Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Aliza's coding tutorial, and here I am with my second project. And in my second project we are going to tell you about this project. Like in this one there are two boys, and this boy has his drone and this boy has his drone, and then this red boy has this green drone is auto controlled, and the red drone we have to control that. So let's get started. So here we are. See, I have already noted down the commands. I'll tell you from where we have to do. While there are two options, when and while. If you press when, wait, I'll show you. Like up, when, up pressed. So like here, up, it will be very slow. And if I do while, so it will be like this. Okay. So now I have choose while. So here if you choose while, that's more better. So now while we get an while and this when things, we get an events. So here you will find when up pressed key. So you have to choose that only, like here, and you can change it to while, or when only you can keep, and you have to change the directions if you want to change. So like that only you need 4. See, while up pressed, move the red one, because we have to change the red one's directions, and we have to move that. Move the red one drone to 10 pixels north, because it's up, we'll need to move it to north. Then same thing here, when down pressed, move red drone 10 pixels south. Then while left pressed, move move red drone 10 pixel west. When right pressed, move red drone 10 pixels to east. So it will be like this, and after that you will need to add, like when red drone touches green drone in events. So you will find this. Then you see in events there, in events, see, there is a rabbit and a carrot given, but you have to change that. Here are many things, so I have choose this because I have to do like that only. Then after doing that, and one more thing, you have, when you are doing like this, when up pressed, move this much, when down pressed, move this much, like that. So you have to make it in new columns like this. See, there are only 2 in this column, there are only 2 in this column, like that. Here also 2, here 2, and then this, when this touches this, will be in a new one. So like when this touches, when red drone touches green drone, show title screen. Like see, when this is found in events here, and show title screen, it is found in text here. Show title screen, title and subtitle. Okay. So now then play sound. If you want, you can add play sound. Here is the play sound. If you bring it down, you have an option like choose. You have to click on choose, and there are many options. So I have written lost, and I found this play sound. So I have choose that. And then after choosing that, if you want, you can use this 3 play sound. This stop everything, but actually we just have to do till here. I have, for making more fun, I have added these things. Stop everything you will find in behavior, as it's a behavior. Stop everything means, see, here are options. So if I choose red, so it will be like red stops everything. When the sound means, see, play sound this, and then this red drone stops everything, then green drone stops everything. So now let's try. see, I'll also move my drone. We can move it anywhere you want. From your space key. From here also you can move, and from your keyboard also arrow keys you can move. And if I touch this, so it will be stopped and the sound will be played. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. And if you like the video, please share the video with your friends, and subscribe my channel, like my video, and if you like it, so please comment in the chat box that that what did you like in it, and did you like my this extra stuff like stop everything and play sound. And if you are also going to make a new one like this, so please comment me and tell. Then if you want the help, you can just contact me, and you can even email me. So that's it for today, and then see you and bye bye. And one important thing, if you want, see, like here I have taken this, wait, like in text I have taken something, anything. For now I'm just showing you, that's why, but I'll just add it under this to show you. So see, now we have clicked. Now it's like this. If we click on any of it, whichever you want, whichever command you want to copy and paste it again, so you have to click on that. Like I want to copy show title screen, and here title and subtitle, so I'll click on that and I'll press Ctrl C, and now I've copied it. And now I want to paste it, I'll press Ctrl V. So here I get it, and I'll put it wherever I want. So that is an easier shortcut. So, and if you want to delete it, like I have done right now, I have added it. I'll add one more. And if you want to delete it, on your keyboard there is a delete button and a backspace button. From that you can press any one, and it gets deleted. So that's it for today, and bye bye guys. Please like and subscribe my channel, and share the video. Bye.